Now, students, today I'm late for around 16 minutes. So the reason is, in Hyderabad, if any politician comes, they will stop the normal public like us. So near to this Somajiguda, they stopped almost 15 minutes. Near to Secretariat, they stopped almost 20 minutes. So because of these politicians, they don't have any work and they will make us to stop. So that's why I'm late and don't mind for that. Shall we start the session? Okay. So online students, now we'll start the session now. So we have completed already 6 p.m. operators and notes. Under that, operators and expressions. Operators and expressions, there I completed last session. Membership operators. And have you practiced this bitwise operators? Right. Now I'm going to start with today identity operators. So that will take few minutes. It will take 40 minutes. Then I'll move to the other supporting operators I will discuss. Okay. So what is this identity operators? So membership operators purpose is what? To check whether the value present in the iterable object or not. If the value present, it returns true, otherwise returns false. Similarly, today we are having identity operators. So the purpose of identity operators is actually students, in development point of view, you don't think about identity operators. It won't come very frequently. Very rarely this will come. That too in written test point of view, it will be getting it. Actually, I can explain in few minutes, but I want to explain completely because in MCQs, this question is coming regularly. This question is coming regularly. And people cannot answer that properly. You will guess it and that will go wrong. So this identity operators applicable 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 on Python command prompt and what ideally only not in other places. I will speak about that word after a few more minutes regarding that. So what is the use of this identity operators? Now I will discuss one by one. Carefully try to follow. The purpose of identity operators is to check the memory address of two objects. Memory address of two objects. Generally, memory addresses of two objects compared by using what operators? Identity operators. You can also you can compare the content of two objects by using what? Double equal to operator. What operator? Double equal to operator. It is also very regularly asking question. What is the difference between identity operators and equality operator? Equality operator will compare what? Content of objects. Addresses of two objects compared by what? Identity operators. Okay, na? So let us start with, there are two types. Memory addresses of two objects will be compared. In Python programming, we have two types of identity operators. They are number one is operator. Spell out is operator. Second one is not operator. So let me go for is and is not operator like yesterday, not and is not. So let me go for is operator. Similarly, I will go for what? Is not operator also. I will give you the clarity. Then I'll move to the further. So here, First operator is operator. Is operator. Next I'll go for is not operator. Other one is not operator. Second one is not operator. So here is not operator I'm going to take up. Simple, students. Now I'm going to talk about it. Is and is not operator here. Very simple. Syntax I'm going to talk. What is this now? Object 1 is object 2. Object 1 is object 2. What is the use of this is operator? Compare the memory addresses of two objects. Come on, students. This is operator. Yes, ma. Is operator. Correct. Is operator. Is operator and is not operator. Is operator is comparing content of object 1 and content of object 2. Double equal to operator versus is operator. What is the use of is operator? Memory addresses will be compared. What is the double equal to operator? Content will be compared. It is a regularly asking question, right? Please take care. Now I am going to say is operator. Now I am going to write here is operator returns true provided memory address of object 1 and what next? Object 2 is same. Memory address of object 1 and object 2 are what? Same. If different, is operator returns what? False. Here is operator returns false. Is operator returns false, provided memory addresses of object 1 and object 2 is different. Is what? Different. Now we'll discuss. So many examples I will give you. Is not operator. Syntax is what? Is not. Like yesterday only, today also you need to get it quickly. Is not operator. It's quite interesting if you follow. Is not operator. So I will carry this now, students. Now see, is not operator returns true provided memory addresses of both object 1 and object 2 is different. Different, this is different. Now I am going to enter into that. Object 1 and object 2 is different. Is not operator returns false provided memory addresses of object 1 and object 2 is same. I think you are following me. So coming to the examples. Examples I am going to discuss. Are you able to follow? So let us start the examples. How many data types are there? 14 data types. 14 into what questions will come also I will tell you. Gunshot, that is 14 into 2. 14 data types. 14 times is, 14 times is not. 28 examples I will give. Plus some miscellaneous examples I will tell you. That is almost around 10. Totally 38, 40 examples I will tell you. From that one question will come. Sir, out of 41 question comes means that is called subject. If I tell only one or two, if it won't come, you will say, sir said like that, not coming. Why that entire thing? Let me tell you open facts. So that 14 examples, that 38 examples, at the end of the class, I will ask you, you will answer everything. Okay, now start. And see, students, for getting success, don't see short route. Yesterday, one student called me. Of course, daily I will tell the updates, what is going on outside. The student number is 630190325 at 8:33. When I'm going on the way, he called. Sir, in October, my sister completed Python batch completed and she is working. Now I want to learn Python. When do you start, sir? Then when sister completed Python, boy want to learn Python. When wife completed, husband want to learn Python. All boys only getting these days want to learn Python. All girls are getting jobs. See, guys. So that's why, students. So try to, boys, take care. Sister has to make a call. Sir, I want to learn Python. My brother got a job. Like that I need to. Okay, boys. So let us start the discussion. Online students. So try to follow me. Now I'll start the example. What is the last data type? None type. Please follow me. Now before that none data type, I will tell you note 1, note 1, note 2. Because see students, skipping the subject and going forward is not at all good for me. That's why I am different in your teaching. I want to tell you everything in the subject. That is what you like it. Correct or not? Right. Now I'm going to enter into the none type. If two objects, now you tell me one small question. When two objects contain same address, come on. Huh? Deep copy. Very good students. Two objects contain same address in which case? Deep copy. Shallow copy. That's all. If two objects are in, two objects are in which copy? Deep copy. Then is operator, come on ma, is operator returns, come on, good, returns true, correct. Next, if two objects are in deep copy, then is not operator returns what? Yes. Next, if two objects are in shallow copy, what? Then is operator returns what? Good. If two operators are in which copy? Shallow copy, is not operator returns true. False. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి out of order. If two objects in deep copy, is operator returns true. Opposite. Two objects are in deep copy, is not operator returns. If two objects are in shallow copy, is operator returns. Because shallow copy contains which address? Different address. Next, if two objects are in shallow copy, is not returns what? True. Because shallow copy contains what? Different address. Definitely, different address will be there. If you want, I will go for the example. So what is shallow copy? Once explain, sir, please. See that. So, who is that? Trisha Thakur. Seema, girl, I hope so. Seema, I already explained. Because girl, na, I'll give 33% reservation. I'll tell to girl once. I don't explain, but I will tell her where explain. The girls are important. So, copy techniques are there. Seema, Trisha, copy techniques. I was already explained in the class very perfectly. There are two types of copy techniques are there. Shallow copy. And see that syntax also I said. Deep copy, see the addresses, ID of this, totally different. And a deep copy, addresses are same I said. And here I said addresses are same. It is already explained, ma, Trisha. Now I will move to the further. So coming to the point of it, I will move to this example here. Okay, Trisha got it. Once if I remember, na, girls will remember. Boys are not like that. I would explain to boys once again. That's why I will tell you at the end of it. Why girls will remember more and more than boys. Last I will tell you, okay? It's an open secret, boys. You don't know that. I'll tell you at the end of the class. So now go to the point back to this area. Now run as administrator. Go to this place. Now here I am going to write it. See students, LST is equal to 10 RS. That I already said to you. Once again I am saying LST1 you say. Once you just wait. LST1 is equal to this part. LST2 is equal to what? LST1. What is this operator I am using? Assignment operator. Which copy this is? Deep copy. You already know students. Print of what? ID of what? LST1 ma. And next is called what? Okay. ID of that. ID of LST2. Same or not? LST1 is LST2. What is the answer? True, true, true. LST1 is not. False. What they will give in interview is these two lines they will give. Directly they will ask this line. These two lines they will give. They will ask this line. What is your answer? True. Why? You have to understand that time this is which copy? Deep copy. Very good. Next, go to the another point I am saying. This is LST1. Now I am taking LST2 is equal to LST1 dot what? Copy. Which copy this is? Good. Shallow copy. Now there I am going to write it. LST1 is LST2. Print IDs you printed. IDs print cheddam. See that students. False. Is not true. These two values I am going to take out. So here I am going to write it. Under this, I am going to write it. Under this part, I am going to take examples. So here, for the deep copy, shallow copy is concerned, I am going to take up. The point is what? Same address is taken. Same data is taken. That is a special point here. Now I am going to talk about, other than this, I am going to start with. Now, let us start with the other things. Now start with students. See guys, now I am taking last data type onwards. I will start these two things important. Note 1, note 2, note 3 set. Go to examples. What is the last data type? None. Now answer my question. A is equal to none. None is what is none? Keyword. It is a value for which data type? None type. Now print that. B is equal to what? None. B is also what? None. Now I am asking A double equal to B. What is the answer? True. Why? Content, value. Now I am writing A is B. Come on. False. That is a wrong answer. A wrong answer. అయిపోయింది మీరు చెప్పేసారా అయిపోయింది wrong answer. I proved it. Now I want to say the answer. Listen, for every question, one reason I will tell you. One reason I will tell you. What is none, guys? Keyword. None is the keyword. When I'm placing that value none in A, none will exist one time or more than one time? None is the value. It will exist in the entire Python one time or more than one time? One time only. That none is placed in A, another time none is placed in B. So two nuns are there or only one none is there? Only one none is there. So it has single memory address, two memory addresses. Single memory address. What is A is B? True. A is not B. Like that you have to remember. Let me print the address. Actual question in interview is what? A none, B none. A is B. A is B. They will say definitely false. But actual answer is what? True. Do you know the reason also? Now print this now, students. Print of A comma ID of A. ID of A. Same address will be printed. B comma ID of B. Same answer is printed or not? Same answer is printed. Same address is printed. Now you say A is B. Come on. True. A is not B. False. It is a programmatic question. If why in if FAQs they are asking, what is that? If two objects contains the value none, what is the operator returns? True. If two objects contain same value none, what is not operator returns? False. Are you following? Did you understand the reason? Let us go to the examples. One by one I will paste it. This is related to what? None related. Did you understand the reason also? Online students, is it understandable this reason? Now, next data type. Come on students, next data type is what? Dictive. Just to go up one data type. D1 is equal to, take care students, 10 colon apple, 20 colon mango, 20 colon mango. Tell me, 10 colon apple, 20 colon mango. D2 is equal to 30 colon apple, 30 colon something like, you know, ABC, 40 colon something like what, you know, something like Kiwi. Definitely D1 and D2 contains which address? Different address. Different values, different address. Correct or not? But the point is what? Same data. That's the main thing. If different values are there, even child also will say that different address is there, right or not? Now, the question is, what is my content here? What is my content? D2 is equal to what data? Same data is there. That is the point. Now, in question is what? D1 is D2. Come on. Answer is true. That is the wrong answer. Next one, so now I want to tell you the answer. Guessing is different. Determining the answer is different. Now I am telling, see the answer. For this explanation is different. For this explanation, I am going to give you different. You are taking a dictionary. You are going to a fruit market and you are buying this. I came along with you. I also purchased 10 apples. I also purchased 20 mangoes. Your dictionary of values different. Even though same thing is there in your bag and my bag, are we going to the same place or different places? So that is going to contain which address? Different address. D1, print D1. See students, type of D1, type of D1, D2 comma, D2 comma, type of D2, type of D2. Are they containing what? ID, yes. ID ma. Let me print that ID. Yes, ID I will print it. ID I will print it. ID. This is just you take care. And a D2 comma what? ID you take it. They are going to contain which ID? Different ID. D1 is D2. Yes, D1 is not D2. True. Very important. Are you following me? Yes. So let us go back. Answer my question. If two different object contains none, what is the is operator returns? True. Is not. False. If two dictionary objects contain same data, is not returns. Is not returns. True. Is returns. False. Listen the question. Now I will go to the next. Next I am going to enter. After a dictionary, what is next? Come on. Set. S1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. S2 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. S1 is S2. S1 is S2. Now I will give you the answer. Let me print S1 comma ID of what? S1. So that is the answer you are getting. Now S2. Before pressing enter, I'll give the reason. Your sets of values 10, 20, it is belongs to you. It is belongs to me. Both sets are having same type, but they are going to belongs to independent types. They are going to contain which address? Different address. Different address is there. Come on, S1 is S2. False. S1 is not S2. True. Similarly, it is applicable for what also? Frozen set also say. Come on. FS1 is equal to what? Frozen set of what? S1. FS2 also I am going to take same. I will print the data. FS1 address is different. FS2 address is different. FS2 address is different. Once you understand one flavor of set, other things are dead easy. FS1 is FS2. False. FS1 is not FS2. True. This is related to what? Set related. Set related. I hope you are following. This is set related. Now I'm going to enter into where? Come on. Tuple I'm going to enter into that. Hemadri. Sir, voice is breaking. My dear student, please adjust from your side. Voice is clear from my side. You please check it your side. So I'm appreciating the students who are interacting with me. Please continue the same. Now I'll go to the list. Shall I go to the list? Let's go to the list. LST1 is equal to 10 comma, some DT, something like 1.2. 1.2. LST2 is equal to LST2 is equal to like this. What data? Same data, same explanation. Your values are different, my values are, even though they are same, my list of values are different and your list of values are different, even though we take the same. So print the data, print of what I will take it, students, print of LST1 comma ID of LST1. This is an ID, this is an ID, same, these are containing different address. LST1 is LST2. What is the data? False. LST1 is not LST2. True. I hope you are understanding. Similarly, I'll go for what? Tuple. Come on, go to the place. Same to same. I will go for what? TPL1. TPL1. See this data. Just convert it. TPL2. Same to same. Same to same. Here I will write TPL1. TPL1. TPL2. TPL2. 1. Yeah. TPL2. 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 Which address? Different address. Same explanation. TPL1 is what? TPL2 is what? What is the answer? False. TPL is not TPL2. True. Are you following? This is related to what? Tuple related. Tuple related. So coming to this place, why I am typing everything on the board? Because if I say it is applicable for range, byte array, bytes, if you say, you won't practice after going to home. That is a damn sure. Correct or not? If I execute in the system, it will be, at least you will observe it. I can say range, byte array, bytes, both of them are containing same explanation I say, but you won't execute. That's why I will do everything perfectly. Go to what next? Range. Start. Range of what? Range of what? I will take 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20. R2 is equal to range of 10 comma 20. Print of what? R1 comma ID of R1. This is the data. This is R2 comma R2. What is this now? Different. Your range of values you are using for some purpose. I am using this for some other purpose. Even though values are same, used for different purposes. Different. R1 is R2. False. Is not what? R2. True. This is related to what? Range. Now, go to next. Byte array 1 is equal to, come on, byte array of 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40. Let it be 2 values enough. I am converting what values? List values into byte array. Following me? These are all discussed. Byte array 2. Print of what now? BA1 comma ID of BA1. Next to see that BA2 comma ID of BA2. Total addresses are different. BA1 is BA2. False. Yeah. BA1 is BA2. False. BA1 is not BA2. True. This is related to range and what? Byte array. Let me copy up to here. There I will go for something type wrong. So there I will remove. And other things you are already aware of it. Similarly, I will go for what? Bytes. I'll go for bytes. Take care. I'm going to write it. Here I'm going to write it. Bytes. I'm going to write a B1. B1. B2 is equal to same. Same. I will print what, students? B1 comma ID of what? B1. Yes. Next B2 comma ID of B2. Got it. Different address or not? B1 is B2. False. B1 is not B2. True. That is done. Go to the place. Important. That is done. Go to the next. STR I am going to take it. S1 is equal to, take care students, Python. Python. S2 is equal to, what is this next? Python. See. Two string objects contains which data? Same data. Same data in the sense, same case, same meaning, same order. same order, same data, same str data, same case, capital case, same meaning Python, same order Python only. Are you following me? So, coming to the point of it, I am going to write it. That time, do you know what is happening? That is not going to create two memory spaces. It is going to create memory space how many times? One time only. Python only memory space is created. Both the objects S1 and S2 contains what address? Same address. This type of thing. If multiple objects contains the same case and the same meaning and the same order, we call such type of objects are string str pool we can call. What is that? Str pool. That pool contains which data? Same value. I hope you are following. So let us start. Print of what? S1 comma ID of S1. S1. ID of S2 comma ID of S2. What is an address? Same address. Come on, Mo. S1 is S2. True. Good. S1 is not S2. False. Understood? Right. Take care. S1 is equal to one more thing. Python. Python. S2 is equal to small n. One small n only. Only one small n. Everything is same. One small different. What is this now? Different address or same address? Very good. Different address. S1 is S2. Yes. S1 is not S2. True. Are you following? That's it. This is comes under what? Different thing. Last and final. S1 is equal to what? Just. Spell out. Just. S2 is equal to what? JSUT. Spell out. దాన్ని స్పెల్ అవుట్ చేయమని చెప్తున్నారు. స్పెల్ అవుట్. స్పెల్ అవుట్ అంటే మళ్ళీ అట్లా పలుకుతారండి. యూ స్పెల్ అవుట్ దిస్. యూ స్పెల్ అవుట్. సేమ్ సౌండ్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్? నీకు ఇంగ్లీష్ రాదు. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ నౌ? What is this? What is this now? So, what is this now? What is this spell out? What is this now? Same, same sound is coming or not? But spelling order is different. That time, what is an answer? Come on. S1 is S2. False. చక్కగా కూర్చున్నావు, అట్లా కూర్చున్నావు. బ్లాక్ షర్ట్. Sit properly. You are sitting in the class like a Lord Krishna. What is an answer? True or false? False. True. Who is true? Okay. Now, is operator returns when true. Same address. Will they contain same address? ఏం చెప్పాను నేను? So, same order, same meaning. Are they same meaning? No. Same order? No. Then why same? Because when two people are raising the hand, that is a painful. It's a painful to me. See that. Two people are raising the hand. Students' mentality is totally different. Same address or different address? Different address. S1 is S2. S1 is not S2. True. Are you following? Right. Come on to the point back. Now, I'll go to this example. Very, very useful thing. Be careful. What is this now? I will take care. In this case, something like most important, very regularly asking, keeping here. What is this now? This part is what? Same case, same meaning, same order, same order. So this is the one I will take care. Now I will move to the further. I'll move to the further. Now I'll move to the further. So this is about which kind of data? STR related. STR related. Now I will move to the further. STR is over now. Next, have some small two range objects contain same data is not. Two range objects contain same data is not true. Is not true. Is not. Marchipoyaru appude. Is not true. Two range objects contain same data is false. Two list objects contain same data is not true. Two list object contains different data is false. Two list object contain same data is false. Two dictionary objects contains same data is not true. Is. Two none objects contain same data is not false. Is true. Two string objects contain same data, same order, same meaning, same case is not false. Is true. It's in this way they can ask. In MCQs they will ask. Like that they will ask. Two objects participates in deep copy is not false. Is true. Two objects participates in shallow copy is not true. Is false. Like that. Because today you will remember after 10 days, if I ask, sir, who are you to ask this question, he will say. So that is 100% because I'm seeing from so many days onwards. Na? Today you are very hard. At the end of the class, you will answer every question. Next week, you ask the same question. You cannot answer even 2 questions also. Not available. 80% of the people will forget. I don't know how it is happening. Regularly reading is important. Okay, anyhow, come to the point back. How many are completed now? 10 data types completed. 10. Now I'm going to enter into the fundamental data types. Ready to answer now? Let's start. Coming to what? Complex. A is equal to 2 plus 3j. B is equal to 2 plus 3j. Be careful. A is B. Quickly. True or false? True. Wrong answer. False. Raise hands. Who said false? ధైర్యం లేదు మళ్ళా. Right. The answer is correct. What the false is correct. A comma id of A. So next is called what? B comma id of B is called what? Different answer. Sir, why? Because A2 is what part? Real part. Real part is internally what? Float. Internally treated as a float. Float will have what? Different type of decimals will come. That is going to contain same address, different address. Floats does not contain certainty. There are uncertainty. Different addresses, different decimal places will come. That's why different address will be there. That's why A is B. False. Sorry. A is B. A is B. False. A is not B. True. Are you okay? Good. Next, be careful. A is equal to true. B is equal to true. Now you will answer it. Come on, what address? What address? Why? Like a none. Like a none explanation. True is a keyword or not? That keyword is one only. When I place 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, all objects will contain what address? Very good. A is B. A is not B. False. Good. Go to next what type? Float type. Be careful. A is equal to 1.2. B is equal to 1.2. Print of A. Print of B. Same address, different address. Huh? Good. Because this no complex is over. A is B. Good. A is not B. Good. Very good, students. Now I will move to the further. That will be coming. Up to here, let me paste it. Let me paste it. So I will go to the place. Now I am going to start with. Now I am going to start with what? Integer. A is equal to 10. B is equal to 10. A is B. A is B. A is B. Option A true, option B false, option C don't know the reason. Option. Okay. One more question. A is equal to 300. B is equal to 300. A is B. ఇది ట్రూ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఇది కూడా ట్రూ అవ్వాలి కదా. కమాన్, ఫాల్సా, ట్రూ? నౌ I will go to the, I won't press the answer. Now I will start. Look at A is equal to what? I will say 300. B is equal to 300. A is B. A is B. Come on. True. A is not B. Wrong answer. Now see. Print of what? A comma ID of A. ID of A. B comma what? ID of B. What is the address you are going to get it? Different address. A is B. Come on. False. I will explain. Don't get tension. Are you following me? Now, A is equal to 10. B is equal to 10. Come on. ID of A. ID of B. Come on. Different. You are wrong. Same address. Sir. Tension, sir. A is B. True. A is not B. Compulsory question this is. Now I am telling, my dear students, look at, I am relaxing you. My dear students, when you are placing the data between 0 to 256, which contains the same address, because this is placed in 8-bit register. 2 to the power of 8, it is storing in 0 to 256 values. When you are storing, they are storing in register. More than 256 if you store, that will be stored in main memory. That will contain different address. 300 you take it. More than 256 na contains which address? Different address. 10 is within the range of what? 0 to 256. That is also going to contain which address? Same address. Are you understanding? Any doubt? No. Manaki em ravu asal doubts. Now I am asking negative values. Oh. Negative values, what will happen? Negative values, what will happen? I will come to that. Don't worry. Are you following me? Next, wait. 256. B is equal to what? 256. Come on. A. ID. Same or different? Pude kada cheppinda. 0 to 256. Same. Now, what is that address? Same. 256, 256. మీరు ఏం చేస్తారా? మీరు, నేను చెప్పేది ఒకటి, మీరు చేసేది ఒకటి. మీరంతా హాఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ పీపుల్. 0 to 256, it will take same address. I did not say 0 to 256 1. -1 I am not saying. You don't apply your bytes data type. I said what? 0 to 256. Did I say 256 -1? I said do the action. You are doing reverse action. That is what is disappointed. 0 to 256. Did I say -1? Then why are you applying your own extra knowledge? You follow me. Are you following? What address? Tell me. A is B. A is not B. That's all. A is equal to 257. B is equal to 257. B is equal to 257. What address? That's all. Different address. A is B. A is not B. That's all. Comfortable? Comfortable? Next, last. A is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. Print of A. Print of B. A is B. A is not B. Right? Comfortable? Comfortable? Okay. Now from here I will carry. Online students, are you comfortable? Most important. Most important. What are the questions are coming? One none question is coming. One just question I asked or not? These were the questions, and integer data also very regularly asking questions. Very regularly asking questions. What is this now? What is this now? 0 to what? 256 contains same address. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. And now I'm going to write it. Any doubt? మనకు అసలు డౌటే రావు అసలు. Now I'm going to take negative values. Negative values I'm going to say. Ready to answer? A is equal to minus 3. B is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. A is B. Print of A. Print of B. What address? Which address? Wrong answer. Same address. I will tell you. 0 to minus 1 to what? Minus 5 contains what address? Same address. Because in the computer organization, of course, you don't worry about that. Don't worry too much about it. Just remember, minus 1 to minus 5, it is reserved for storing the sign purpose. For sign. 1, 2, 3 is called a positive. Minus 1, 2, 3 is called what? Negative. To store the negative sign, they are using minus 1 to minus 5 storage in the memory of the system. So this is going to contain which address? Same address. So which address is going to contain? Same address. A is B. True. A is not B. Compulsory questions. On integers only questions will come. On strings also questions will come. None also question will come. Are you following? Right. Mississippi also they are asking question. Mississippi. MISSI, SSI, PI. They are doing what? MISSI, ISS, PPI. And we will see what Mississippi. Answer is true, we will say. But answer one letter is changing or not? You need to be careful. Understand, students? Okay. Now A is equal to minus 1. B is equal to what? Minus 1. What address? Same address. A is B. A is not B. A is equal to minus 5. B is equal to minus 5. Print of A. Print of B. A is B. A is false. A is equal to minus 6. B is equal to minus 6. Come on. Different address. A is B false. A is not B true. Are you following? Right. Is it interesting? Right. So come to the point back up to from here onwards. Well, these are all very important. You ask any outside students once this question. What is this now? Most important point is what? What is this now? Minus 1 to minus 5 contains what? Same address. Same address. Very, very important, mom. Be careful. Now, let us. Any doubt? Any doubt? Don't look at me, sir. You have any doubt? Any doubt? Come on. If I am setting the question paper, I don't ask this question. I will ask next level question. Huh? Come on, good. Stand up. No problem. Tell me, your answer, tell me. Example. A is equal to 5. B is equal to minus 2. Answer. A is B. What values? Stand up, stand up. What values? Different values. Different values, which address? ఏముంది అందులో? What is there in that? Is not. What is that? True. When you ask the doubt now, people should say like that. People should say like that. So read out. Ala. When you ask the same doubt, ఏం doubt ఇది? Like that they should not say. Okay. Now, can I ask my doubt? You will answer. Right. If it is a square root, Hindu is asking, sir, if it is a square root, Hindu, square root, what is that example, ma? See, actually, it's very simple. 25, first of all, 25, she is asking this question. 25, square root is nothing but like this only, na? 25. B is equal to what also? 25. What is A is B? False. Why false? 5.0, 5.0. I already said the answer. It is called what? Simple. Everything you will answer. You will be set right like anything once you listen me. Okay, ma, Indu. Right. Got it. Huh? So, back. Now, go to the place. I'll move to the further. Shall I ask you one more thing? Right. Can I ask one more question? You won't ask any doubt? No. Okay. Don't feel. Because I want to strengthen your doubt also. Strengthen your doubt also. Now, any doubt? No. Can I ask you the doubt? Right. So, Kavyasri is asking this doubt. See, ma, Kavyasri. See, Kavyasri doubt is this. A is equal to 5. A is equal to minus 5. What is an answer? Is false. Is not. Simple. Simple. So, now I will go for that. A is equal to 5. A, B is equal to minus 5. A is B. False. A is not B. Two different values. Now done. Now my question I am asking. My question I am asking. One more student is asking, if we take integer number like 2.3, Abdul Rahim, my dear student, is it an integer number? Is it an integer number? If we take an integer number like this, is it possible? What number it is? Float it is. Float it is. So, doubt means people should say, oh, like that. Now I'll ask my doubt. See, ready to answer? Yes. Listen. No, serious. A comma B is equal to, A comma B is equal to 300 comma 300. 300 comma 300. A is B. Come on. You are wrong. ఇంకా పక్కన అదే కదా ఉండేది. You see what you said, what the answer is coming, that is different. This is called what? Yes. Now the answer is, when now giving the reason. I will ask this type of question. 0 to 256, same address. -1 to -5, same address. 300, 300, what line? Multi-line assignment. If I don't cover that, if this question is coming in interview, definitely will answer wrong. Correct or not? If I cover this also, you will be getting much benefited. Now I am saying, come to the point of it. I am going to ask you the question. A is equal to, comma B is equal to, whatever the value you take it in the single line of what? Integer data. How this is working, you know, students. First PVM is going to assign which side values? RHS to LHS. RHS what values are there? RHS what values are there? Same values. But same value, it is not going to place two values here. The 300 is going to be available in one place only. Both A and B will be placing to the same memory only. If two different values are there, 2 times shifting is done. Otherwise, what is happening? A and B will point to the same 300 only. That's why they are containing which address? Same address. Are you able to follow? Right. See, my dear students, are you following? Take once again, print of A. Students, print of A. See this now. Print of this address. A you print, B you print. What address? A is B. Come on. A is B. True. A is not B. False. Are you following? Easy or difficult now? Easy. If it is 40 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 30 lakhs, whatever it might be, same line, multi-line assignment, any kind of value, it is going to be what? Same. Can I ask one more question? Yes. Be careful. One student asked this question. I want to address that also. I want to answer that also. This answer. I want to ask you. I want to see. If it is a genuine, I will ask you. Answer, please. A is what? What is B? What is? False. Is not. Simple. Finished. It is not a doubt actually. It is not a doubt actually. It is not a doubt. B is equal to what? Python. Python. A is B. False. A is not B. True. I answered. Subject means I will answer. Other than that, no. Are you following that? Yes. Done. Now I am asking A comma B is equal to A comma B is equal to A comma B is equal to 34, 5, 6, 7, 34, 5, 6, 7. 34, 5, 6, 7. What is an answer, ma? Quickly. True. A is not B. That's all. If it is different, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B is equal to what? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A is not B. A is not B. True. See how much difference is there. You have to remember every part of it. Understood this? Yes. Can I ask one more question? A comma B is equal to 1.2 comma 1.2. 1.2 comma 1.2. Print of A. Print of A. Print of B. Come on. Come on. Same or different? Huh? Same address, different address. Yes. Why same address? Same value, na? Same value means 1.2 pointed by both AB. But you are thinking 1.2 float value will be uncertainty because same thing will contain 1.2 at one point of time, AB pointing to 1.2. If it changes 1.2 pointed by AB only. Understand or not? A is B. A is not B. Yes. A is not B. False. Are you following? Very, very easy. Very, very easy. This also I will carry here. This also I will carry. So try to paste it. Are you following, students? Yes. What line assignment these are? What line assignment these are? Most important. Which line? Multi-line. Multi-line assignment. Multi-line assignment. Fine. Take care. Now I will go to the next. Float values also I copied. Next. Be careful. A comma B is equal to A comma B is equal to 2 plus 3j, 2 plus 3j, 2 plus 3j, comma 2 plus 3j. Come on. Right. Come on. 2 plus 3j, 2 plus 3j. Same or different? Same. Same. Like this. A is B. True. A is not B. False. If I write separate lines is what? False and true. Different lines? False. Same line? True. Now be careful. I did with what? Integers, floats, complex, bool anyhow. True comma false, true comma true. That is also true. A comma B, true comma true is also A is true. A is B true. Even separate lines also A is equal to B is equal to true. What is also going to be? True only. You did not catch it. మిమ్మల్ని చూస్తేనే చెప్పేస్తాను నేను. So coming to that, A is equal to true, B is equal to what? True. A is B. True. A is not B. False. A comma B is equal to true comma true. A is B. True. A is not B. That means separate lines are multi-lines also same. Got it or not? Now, shall I ask one more question? Last and final. See how many examples. Definitely one question will come. It is applicable only on where? Python command prompt and ideally. When you execute on PyCharm, we can't say that answers like this. Because PyCharm is implementing something different. These operators are giving. This operator is applicable only for what? This applicable only for what? Python command prompt only. Python command prompt only they are applicable. Ideally only. If you execute in PyCharm, if you execute in some other IDEs, they are going to they implemented is operator something different. Because they won't mention in the written test this is on PyCharm or something, because it is an officially recognized as what? Python command prompt and ideally only the questions will come. Understand? Right. So coming to the point back, here I am going to write it. Look at LST1 is equal to 10 comma RS, 10 comma RS, comma, what is this now? 10 comma RS, 10 comma RS. When I took it different, what was the is operator? False. Is not true. Now tell me, print of what? LST1. LST1. What is this now? ID of LST1. What is this now? LST2, comma what? ID of LST2. What is the answer? Same or different? Come on. It is going to be containing what? Same or different? Different. Here also different. It is happening. Multi-line assignment is happening for fundamental data types only, but not for other kind of data types. See how many points you have to remember? Only Python completing and going to written test and FAQs attending, you cannot qualify. You need to have deep subject knowledge. Then only you can qualify. What address? Different address. By thinking multi-line assignment of fundamental data types applicable for what? Collections types, sequence types, set types, and dict types. What will happen? It is a different. So, come on. LST1 is what? LST2 false. LST2 is not what? LST2. What is this now? True. What is happening? Different address only I said, not same address. Both of you. No problem. This LST2 is above one is taking. Above one is taking. Because student is not able to catch that also. Memorizing is very difficult. Here I will write it. LST1 comma LST1 comma LST2. Happy? Huh? No, happy. LST1, LST1, LST2. LST1 is LST2. LST1 is not LST2. Right. That is what I am saying. Are you following? Dictionary also same. List also same. Set also same. Frozen set also same. All those things are same. Come to the point back. What is happening here? What happens? Operators and expressions. I pasted everything in operational expressions. Huh? Okay. No issue. I will paste this entire thing. So now I am going to ask you. I will paste it here. This is something different. Like this. This entire part. Actually, is supposed to keep it into that place only. But everything written under operators and expressions. Now I need to keep it this entire thing. Select this everything. I'll paste it over there. See how many examples? These many examples. If you start working after going to home, it will take night 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And your family members ask, don't work hard, you will get job. It's very difficult for you. So, like that. Are you following, students? Like this. After going to home, see how much work is there to work with. You have to do like this. This is comes under what operators? Identity operator. Yeah. One student asked a question. LST1 is equal to empty list. LST2 is equal to empty list. So now LST1 is LST1 ID. LST2 is called what? ID. What is that? Different. Actually, students, it's very simple. If you read every day and if you come. Two different. You have empty bag, I have empty bag. Is same bag? Different bags. Different bags. LST1 comma LST2 is equal to what? Like this. Like this. LST1 off. LST1 off. LST1. You see that? See, this thinking of the subject is so sensitive. Understood or not? My dear student who asked this question, I replied for you. I replied. Every genuine doubt I will reply. So, coming to the point of it. So, yes, my dear student, this is what I said. This is applicable on where? command prompt of Python, and ideally it is not going to give you the same results what we said in other IDEs, because they are not directly coming from the Python source. Giridharan, my dear student, you have to take care of that. Even if it is correct is coming, we never consider that. We are going to take certified thing is only Python command prompt and ideally. Even in PSF documentation also, they mentioned like that only. Are you following? Shall I go to the further? Is it clear about all the topics? Now small 2 minutes questions. Two different objects of none type is not. Two different objects contains none is not. False. Two different objects of list contain same data is. False. Is not. Two str objects contain same data, same case, same meaning, same order is not. False. Is. Two. Are you following? Right. Two different objects contains numerical integer value between 0 to 256 is not. False. Is. True. Two different objects of float type multi-line assignment, same value is not. False. Is. True. Two complex values of say different objects, same value, multi-line assignment is. True. Is not. False. Now you are able to answer everything. Two different integer objects contains what? Same negative value between -1 to -5 is. True. Is not. That's all. You are able to answer everything. After 1 week, if I answer na, you'll look at here and there. That is what is your talent. That's why morning and evening you have to read the notes. Okay, students? Are you comfortable with this? Now, this is called which operator? Identity operator. Last and final, I did not cover this. A comma B is equal to, A comma B is equal to minus, so Guido van Rossum. Okay. A comma B is equal to -4 comma -4. -4. See, Behra, my dear student, somehow you came today. Okay. I am also feeling, sir, your team is removing me. I am not doing anything also. I paid fees. See, mom, I am also very pretty about you, but you please ask the question like other students. I will welcome you. You please continuing in my class. If you do something different now, I will feel something bad and it is not good to continue you. That's why I'm going to ask you. You promise me whether you will learn the subject perfectly by following my guidelines, or you go your own direction. You make me to do that so that I will guide. I will tell them don't remove that Behra. You tell me that between all the students. So Guido van Rossum, I am also pleased, sir. I am asking only genuine, sir. What is asking? Is it genuine? Guido van Rossum, I am telling in front of everybody. Behra, you said last time what? Sir, I will remove you from meeting, you said or not? And you commented on one student also. You commented on one student. He is 0, you said. That I am remembering. That's why I directed to them, please remove that student when he joined like that. You said like that or not? So, no, saying sorry when you become like that, and how it is, ma? So, if you said sorry and again you will do the same thing, how it is? Today also you have done something. Sir, 10th class, something you said, that is also going to be like that. You also, I remembered you in beginning, you said something 10th class like that you are going. That is what I will not do. Okay? You will not do anything, huh? Sure, huh? Are you sure? Offline students, shall I allow? So, online students, please reply. Online students, please reply on that. He said, I will not do anything, he said. So shall I continue? Allow him. Okay. Okay. Okay, mom. Okay. I will give, okay. One time I will give chance. Okay, na? I'll already give so many chances. I'll give one more chance. No problem. Last chance. Okay, na? See, this is my time waste when I say. So, one chance based on some students. Huh? Okay. One chance. I'll request all the offline and online students. I'll give one chance. Huh? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Okay. Right, my dear students. Guido Van Rossum. Now I will continue. I'm based on my online students and offline students request. They said give one chance. I'm giving you one chance. Now, because I'm recording your chat window also, my dear student. Yeah. Okay. One last request, sir. Okay, no problem. Request is granted. So, Madhu, sir, what you said to you, that's not correct. Okay. What ma that is? What he said to you, that's not correct. Maybe. Please use ideally. She is saying. Ideally, not at all used in industry for real-time applications, I said. Again, he is becoming overheat. So, let it be, students. Last chance I am given. Today also, if we continue, next day I will do. Okay, leave it, ma. Please come to that. A comma B is equal to -4 comma -4. What is that? A is B. Come on. A is B. True. A is not B. False. What is that now? Like this. Why I am not using ideally here is, I will tell you the reason also. Because he is also asking, na, I will tell him also. He will also impress. At least he will understand me. Go to ideally. Suppose in ideally, if I am using in this place, if I use like that, I can scroll with my mouse. I can type fast. With fast, I can type. When I go to ideally, I cannot scroll the mouse. If I say A is equal to some 100, B is equal to some 100. Now, if I say A is B, A is B, A is not B, it is like this. A is equal to true, A is equal to true, B is equal to true, A is B, A is B, A is not B, false. Now, A is equal to Python, A is equal to Python, B is equal to Python, Python, A is B, true, A is not B, false. Now it is coming to window down now. How can I clear my screen? I cannot use scroll bar also, not going up and down. That is the difficulty. If I go to that, student cannot see the window properly. That's why I'm using same to same. Again, he's asking. So I use ideally, ideally. What is there in that? For that, what should I do? Again, I have to close the window. I have to come back. If it is this place, I can use scroll bar where I can type little faster. Understand? So, Guido Van Rossum. So, understood or not? So, really, now I'm feeling so much hungry now. So, I'll move to the further. This is about which operator? Ideally. Right. Now, again, no problem. I'll go for it. Now this is called what? Operators and expressions fully completed. Now I will go to the tomorrow session. I will start. Anyhow, Python does not support what? Unary operators. Python does not support Python ternary operator. Now I will use most important thing I will cover. Ternary operator. If else operator I will cover tomorrow. If else operator programming I will enter tomorrow about this entire things. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very important session. So I'll stop the class tomorrow. Don't miss it. Thank you. All the best. Sai Kumar.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Sai Kumar.
Sir, చిన్న డౌట్ సార్